So MySQL session 2. Yeah, as usual, before starting anything, you just check it out how many databases are available by using show databases. And last session, I just explained a few queries on EMP table in database employee. So I'll just continue the same thing. Look at use employee semicolon. The database is changed. Show tables. Yeah, I just missed semicolon in giving in the line. So you can give it in the next line. Show tables. What are the tables we have? DEPT, DEPT1, EMP, EMP1, EMP2, SAL grade and SAL grade 1. I just see once again, we'll just see once again the tables. Regarding the EMP, we are familiar. We already discussed in session 1. So we have 13 rows. Look at DEPT and SAL grade. DEPT we have department numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, and you try to establish the relationship between EMP table and DEPT table. You just try to observe the things clearly. How many department numbers, how many departments are there in EMP table and how many are there in department table. We'll just start practicing few queries on EMP table. Select count of star from EMP. Count gets you the total number of records available. So we have 13. And look at another query. Select count of ename from EMP. Even it is also 13. And look at another query. Select count of job from EMP group by job. So group by job we have 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, which is not at all clear. The output is not clear. So we'll just make some adjustments to the query. Now look at this query clearly. Select job, comma, count of star from EMP group by job, means it's giving how many clerks are there, how many managers are there, and how many presidents and how many salesmen, etc. Like this, we'll be practicing more number of queries, as this is a completely new session to the people. I just given few queries only, not all. We have many things like group by, having, and etc. We'll see few commands. Create how to create your database, your own database. Create database space followed by your database name and show tables. Look at show tables clearly. Show tables, we are nowhere concerned with the database Yami, because we are in another database. So you are supposed to give use your database name and semicolon. Now we get a message database changed. Show tables empty set, because you just created the database but there are no tables in that. Look at how to create a table. Create table followed by table name within brackets, field name and the data type and size of the data. So I am just giving MySQL in brief right now. I will be giving in detail later. We have different types of commands like data manipulation, data control. So we have DDL, DML and DCL, which we'll be discussing in detail. I'll be giving clearly. And the basic syntax of creating table in detail I'll be giving. Just at this point I am just giving how to create a simple table. So at the time of table creations, so we can use many options like auto increment, not null, primary key and etc. At this point just create a simple table with two fields. A table is created and select start from Y1. Y1 is your table, empty set, no rows are inserted. To insert any row we use the insert command. Look at the syntax. Insert into table name values within brackets. If it is integer, specify 1 comma, as it is name, put it within double quotations. So 2 rows are inserted. Select start from Y1, 2 rows are inserted. You can use update command to make any changes to the field values. Look at the syntax. Update table name, set name is equal to Radhika, where id is equal to 2. You need to specify the where condition. So where id is equal to 2, look at that. How many rows matched? Rows matched 1 and changed 1. And again check it out whether it is changed or not. Select star from y1. So your id 1 is Sai and 2 is Radhika. You can delete the data with the help of delete command. Delete from y1 where id is equal to 1. You can drop your table by using drop table space table name. And look at show tables. It's an empty set. Now show databases. And even you can drop your database. Drop space database. Don't try to drop the existing databases. That is very important here. Don't try to drop. You try to drop your data only. Yeah, the database is dropped. Earlier it was 7 rows. Now 6 rows. I am just giving very small videos, and as MySQL is very important, just focus on what I am giving and practice.